Hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to go back to Palantir because frankly, a lot of stocks just simply aren't working, so why do I want to bang through a list and say, hey, this isn't working, this isn't working, this isn't working. It's a little bit like saying, hey, see that ledge over there? Don't jump off. But Palantir is working. If you look here at the way this stock has been trading over the last week, on Monday, okay, fine. The stock hit a low, bounced off the 200-day moving average, but look at what's happened since then. On each successive day, we've had a higher intraday low each day. That means that the sellers are getting less and less aggressive, and the buyers are willing to accept a higher price than they were yesterday. So, to put it succinctly, the sellers are getting weaker, the buyers are getting stronger. And then on the other side of the coin, like this is the high here of 26.24, that's where sellers said, okay, crap, I'm selling. The buyers say, okay, I'll take all you got right here. And then that's it, they pulled back. So the following day, the sellers are saying, you know what? Yesterday, 26.24, I don't think I'm going to sell then. And so then the next day, the high was 26.70. Doesn't seem like a lot. This is not a super volatile stock, actually. And then the day after that, the high was 28.79. And then, of course, today, the stock was very close to pushing through 30. But the point is, on each successive day, those that were holding the stock were less eager to sell, and at the same time you see this big buying pressure. And I know the call volume was pretty big on this stock. Okay, fine, that's a Nigerian's thing, not mine. But the point is, this is a stock that's under institutional accumulation. You don't get a stock trading over 114 or 100 million shares traded if it's not institutions. And so I like the way this stock is trading. I would, to say, oh, it's going to 30, that's kind of a, well, duh. But, I would say like my initial price target on this, again, this is a weekly chart, would be like 35. Beyond that, I have no idea. Just between you and me, probably looking at 40. But that would be a few months from now, and I seriously doubt whether it would happen before they report earnings on 1/1/11/21. So I would just be holding this stock. I am holding this stock. This is my biggest position. Hold this stock. Just let it run. Remember, you make the money in between the buy and the sell, not when you sell. You make the money on what the stock does in between when you buy and when you sell. I just don't think it's time to be selling yet. So anyway, that's all I got for you. By the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, at least check it out. We've got an active trade list. This is one of them that's on it. But they're all doing really well. All but two of them are profitable. The ones that aren't are hardly worth mentioning on the loss side. So if you're having a hard time making money, it may be because you're either in the wrong stocks or your entries are not correct, and so you're losing money. It may also be because you're over trading. So I can help you with all of that at Stock Market Mentor. I've been trading for over 25 years and been doing this since 2006. So some would say I know what I'm doing as far as helping other people, and I'm hoping that you might check it out, okay? All right, I'll see you over there. Have a good week.